Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I'm sharing something a little different with you all. I was reached out to by a company called Beebeecraft. They are an online craft store and they asked me if I would like to review some of their product. Beebeecraft has a big selection of different products for you to try. If you spend $25 or more, you get free shipping, which I thought was excellent. They offered to allow me to pick some items for free for me to try out. I am going to be sharing the items that I received, as well as some upcoming videos on how I am using those products. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so first of all, I just wanted to share how it came all packaged up. It came in this mailer here, and it was all tightly wrapped in this bubble wrap. It was, yeah, there was nothing damaged, so they did a really good job at sending everything out. They have a really big selection for beading and jewelry making. So if you are into that, I highly recommend them. And they have lots of things that are in bulk. I grabbed a few items from that department and they're gonna seem a little random, but I had some specific ideas in mind when I chose these items. The first thing is this faux suede string. I chose this gray color. I have a few different projects in mind for this. It's a very large roll. This will last me for a long time. I can't wait to share with you what I am going to be making with this. I will have the links to all the items that I have today to share with you down in the description box. Next item are these wood beads. There's 20 in a package. They have a lot of exotic wood beads and I just loved these ones. I love the stripes in them. Again, a specific project in mind for these. Next item are these Quartz Gems. Now they have a selection of some semi-precious stones in their store. This came from the Panda Hall Elite section. It came in this really pretty little package. I thought it was just so cute. Anyways, and it came with a good selection. I selected these applique flowers. They are beautiful. I have two projects in mind on how I'd like to use these. I'd like to thank Beebeecraft for reaching out to me. I can't wait to try these products out. I'm really excited about the projects that I have planned for all these items. So please come back and join me so you can see what I will be creating with all these items. I will have all the links to the items down in the description box, as well as a link to their store. Thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.